So here we are, we have our StormSmart rolling screen. We were just actually out here just putting the finishing touches on this as we have this really awesome storm coming in. So I wanted to take this time and see how these bad boys work while we have this storm coming in. Let's see what these bad boys can do, huh? Blowing in about 35 right now. And as you can see, screens are going down no problems. Looking pretty good. Starting to get dark in here. Just really wanted to show the view. Now the wind in here has actually just come to a stop. But as you can see, the screens are doing their job. You can see it's good and wet outside there. And here we are at the screen. The floor's fairly dry. That's me hitting the screen there. And it's just pushing it right on in, just like it's supposed to. And I'm standing here right now as it is absolutely pouring rain. And there is no water coming in here. It's like a tiniest little bit of mist that you can feel on the screen. You can see it deflecting there a bit. We look outside, it is just absolutely wet out there. So that's what Hurricane Wind Abatement Screen can do. That's what it can do on your patio. Give us a call today.